Day 30, week 5. Alright, it looks like the drywall on the walls are almost done here. We got the baseboards, window and door trims, 4-inch threshold for the shower, all the tiles here. Alright, so looks like we got all the windows except one, this one. So it looks good. We'll check out the qualities later. Okay, so yeah, they put the post over here. It's gonna stay there. Concrete to level this place. I think this is bright enough. Alright, so they did downsize the return because it was taking too much space over here. So now it's gonna be round instead of rectangular shape, and it's gonna consume a little less space over here so that we can have bigger closet. Alrighty, all the pipes are out. Here, red guard, waterproof, water prevention, toilet, and then sink. Pipes are out, snap out. So inside is gonna be 28. Yeah. Window. Tiles are on. Mud work. This is, the first one is done. They're gonna do the second one too. Waterproofing is done. Tiles look good. All the windows are installed over there. Same thing over here. Yep. Alright, so here is the ductwork. Okay, it's a little bit tight on here, but that's okay. Yeah, we still have enough room to go by. Looks like we're gonna move everything there. The laundry, sink, and the washer. Day 31, week 5. Alright, so the tile work is almost done in the main bathroom. And you what? Huh? Drywall, mud work, all the patching work. Looks good. Got new batch of doors, 228s, 430s, and 132. So for now, the plan is to put 32s over here, and then all the bedroom doors would be 30s, and then bathrooms 28. So, and they're all single panel, shaker style, solid wood doors. They're heavy. All right, so the shower on this side, all the waterproofing works are done here. So this is the ductwork in the attic. It looks so beautiful. Everything is professionally done. We're gonna cover up all those junction boxes, and hopefully everything works fine without problem. We got enough supply and return. So this is the top of the master, half top. Same thing here, the mud work.
Daddy.
Oh.
What's that?
I'll look at Mom. Alright, so we got two supplies on this side, one over there, one over here, and one over that side. So that should be enough for the whole room. We're gonna have return on this side. And we got all the doors here. Gotta follow up with the window. This is the look from the outside. The windows look good. Day 32, week 5. So they've been working on the inside of the house. Hopefully we get it on time. So we do have to meet 45-day renovation timeline. So we are getting closer and a little bit out of budget. Once we return some of the stuff that we bought extra for this project, probably we're gonna be a little over budget, or if we can break even, that would be great. All right, so the garage is almost done. It looks nice and bright. One more panel on this side, maybe just a little quarter panel, quarter drywall goes to that, and we're just gonna do mud work on this, and we're not gonna be painting. Looks good. All right, so it looks like the threshold is getting done here, and all the tiles are here for the floor and for the shower walls. So the tile work is done here in the main bathroom. All right, so it looks like the niche is very small now. So the big shampoo bottles would not fit over here. So we should have gotten a little bigger ones. And then the tile is a little bit big, I would say. Yeah, it's like 2 inch on each side. It should have been a little less than that. And the second niche is over here. This is bigger, and we have one more platform. We can adjust that. And this is how the floor tile looks like. And then mud work. The first layer is done. Same thing over here. And they've been working on the HVAC ductwork for almost a week now, so they should be done fairly soon. And we're gonna just remove this staircase for the attic and just cover it up. And we're gonna have attic access on the other side of the room. So the room is getting a little smaller because the closet is getting smaller because of the ductwork. And what we decided to do over here, instead of doing 36 doors, 4 doors over here, we opted to do 32 just for this one, and then 2 more 32 for this closet and 1 32 on that side, along with the trims, 4-inch trims. So in that case, it's going to be properly aligned, and I would say design wise looks better, and we don't have to cover all the ductwork on this side is just going to be open ductwork, and which can be accessed through this wall over here, and then we can put some stuff inside as well. So that should be usable space. All right, same thing over here. So to put the drywalls back on, got the supply on both sides and one more supply on that side, and all the mud work, first layer is done, and so this side is already connected to the main supply, and this side also connected to that side. So everything is properly connected, and we got one more supply line to that side. So everything is looking good. So probably gonna have a sink and then dryer and washer on this side, and then water heater maybe on this side. So not decided yet on that, we'll see. And we're gonna remove this and put the new electrical panel, and got quite some space over here. Got new window on this too. Day 33, week 5. So all of the contractors went back except one to Chicago for family emergencies and taking some break, because they've been working non-stop, I would say, here, and just get refreshed before the final stage of the renovation. Still waiting on this window. Gotta close it on this side of the house, so as soon as you enter the house, gotta close it here. And then we're gonna put some bench, I believe, over here, and we're gonna put some, I don't know, shoes and clothes here. That should be enough. So looks good. All right, so we got the return on this side. Okay. And then supply. So that's good. I actually didn't know it would be this big. So, alright, so we'll have to redesign the mudroom so that when we put the drywalls back on and everything is cleaned up here, we don't touch the ducts, especially kids. They just bang it, so we'll have to be careful with that. So there should be a work around it, so we'll have to see that. Alright, so it looks like they did work on the electrical lines. Looks like they didn't do any mud work over here. So they did work on the electrical line. I'm not sure if they're doing two. Oh yeah, they have to do two, because one is going to be for the recessed lighting, and the second one is going to be for just the light over here in the middle. And we'll have to find anything to cover this up, or we can just leave it like this with the drywall, because it's very expensive. It's about $250 at least, and yeah. And it looks like there's no update here. They maybe did the second layer. Oh no, they didn't do it. So okay, so we do have an update over here. On this side, we got a huge closet, huge. I like it. This one is actually bigger than the master. That's crazy, but it's so good. We did a mistake on that part, so this is how it looks like with the closet on this side. It's getting a little smaller now. We're gonna put the cabinets onto this side. Day 34 and 35. week 5.